Money, hello Money, how are you? Should I search for Python developer jobs? That completely depends on you. Money, if you learn Python, if you have done a lot of investment in learning Python programming language, and you have learned Python really well, or if you have done some kind of a certification, or in college you have done projects on Python, then I would suggest that you start with Python developer jobs, because that will immediately give you an advantage over your skills of Python development. Okay, it will immediately give you the lead you require. As soon as you start working, you will be able to use your skills which you have learned in whatever uh, number of months or years it has taken you to become a Python developer. Is it okay? So you should decide whether you want to go for Python developer jobs or not. If I'm learning something, then I would certainly like to go in that direction. Correct? Because I'm learning something with that particular tool or technology in mind. So if you're learning Python development, then you should go for Python developer jobs. And Python is becoming a very popular programming language of choice. So the number of jobs in Python are also increasing day by day. Okay, and even freshers are being hired for Python development. Okay, as a matter of fact, I am working on a script for a video, okay, in which I am going to reveal the complete roadmap for Python developer. Okay, it is going to be a very detailed video. Maybe it will be like a 20 minutes or 40 minutes, depending on how much time it takes me to take you through everything about Python development. And my vision is to release this video within the next 1 week. Okay, before the next live, I want to release this video, which is complete roadmap for Python developers. Okay, and this is a series I am starting. So there will be a complete roadmap for full stack developer, there will be a complete roadmap for data science, there will be a complete roadmap for Salesforce developer, there will be a complete roadmap maybe for team center developers. Okay, but I will first take the popular programming languages, I will take the popular topics, and then I will go towards those areas where the requirement is less, but maybe the companies are coming up and there is a market for these kind of requirement. But there will be a complete roadmap series. I'm starting this series with Python developer because Python is very popular, but there will be complete roadmap for Java developer, complete roadmap for JavaScript developers. As much as I can do, I will start this series, and every week I will put at least one video in this series. Okay, so keep a watch over that. For that, you need to subscribe so that you get a notification when I start releasing the videos in this series. Is it okay? Whether you should go for Python developer job or not, that completely depends on you. I don't know your situation, Money. If you are very much in need of a job, then maybe you can take up this job of team center, but then your focus will shift from Python development. Okay, that you have to accept. Okay, see, take a decision which you are never going to regret in the future. Okay, ask yourself, will you regret this decision if something does not go well? Okay, and if you're not going to regret, then just go ahead.